Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer.
Alright, so guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. As you can see right here, so I'm looking about Callaloo and Pokchoy, but this is the vegetable that's being sliced into dices and all kind of pattern, guys. So right here, so we have the Escallion, we have the garlic, we have the onion, we have the pimento, and we have a pepper, right? And we even have the thyme. So guys, as you can see, I put it near me, you can see, yes, that's a one, yeah people. So see there. So guys, stay tuned for the rest of the video, alright? So guys, yeah. So right now, like as you can see, let me fry up on one bag of two. So you can see everything I fry up. Yeah. So make it fry a little bit now, people. Don't make it burn. Don't let it burn. If it burn, you know you come up like burn black. Alright. So yeah. If I go and do it too. Come on. Yeah, so yeah, so as you can see, alright, so okay. You smell, you can see the pepper, everything good. Alright, so now I'm just adding my bits of saltfish, which is just jamaican saltfish, guys. So it's not a lot of things that I'm cooking, guys. Not enough. What do I mean by it's not enough, guys? And I want to buy something else. That one. So yeah, stir it a bit. So I'll try to want more oil, so pass the oil, man. So yeah people, yeah, my there. Alright, so now pour it for oil in it. More oil. Alright, so I'm gonna finish the oil in it now. So one fry until I add most of everything. Alright. So yeah. So people that got kind of slow down because I add a little bit of oil in it. So it will kind of slow down back. And remember, so the first oil is add, yeah. So it will really slow down now. So yeah, people, as I can see everything I said, you should lift up back. So yeah. Alright, so people, as you can see, so I come back to the pattern now. Yeah, looks like it's going to burn soon. So I'm going to start adding it little by little, alright? So just add in a bit and just stir it. So guys, I normally do this. I normally throw in one time, but I never stir it because this is like a bun. If you leave, this is at the bottom. You understand, people? So I have to carry this is the top. So I throw me carry this is the top because I don't want to use the bun. I like a little bun than this is. And now I'm tasting the mix up and everything. There? Yeah, people. So I'm going to just add some more to the pot. Again. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah. People. Alright, so I'm just going to throw the rest of the pot. Okay, guys, so everything down in the pot now. So guys, let me just feed the greens and my juice. Let me cook a little bit because nobody know me I really like greens from mother. Father, but I just cook a little bit and see. I love greens. I feel me can something like that. Greens to nobody. So yeah. So be careful, people. I'm gonna leave it to simmer down a bit. Leave it to simmer down a bit. I'm gonna rice on fire too. Yeah. Leave it to simmer down a bit. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave this You see the second well green and pretty. Alright, so be right back. So guys, as you can see right here, I have my rice. It's finished cooked. And yes, I had a stick of butter in the rice to give it a little color and taste and flavor. Yeah guys, so yeah, all my Jamaican people know about the right rice. So yeah guys, let that stay to eat it guys. I'm gonna let it stay to cool. I can't wait guys to eat it in the Callaloo. So guys, right here I have my Callaloo guys. It's been simmered, so I'm gonna leave it until everything is being added to the pot right now. Yeah, and it's simmering down. So I'm gonna keep it. So I'm gonna come back to the pot now. So yeah, I'm just gonna turn the one that is actually cooked that's underneath the bottom. Underneath the bottom of the pot right guys. So I'm gonna flip it and flip it until it's totally turned. So I'm just gonna flip it. Yes. So you can also look at all the details of the pot screen because there is an on to hold the camera. So yeah. So you guys can keep it from the top part and let it cook now. So guys, normally again, I'm gonna say this before I let the Pokchoy and the Callaloo dry down, I normally add a few of my chicken seasoning to the pot. So I don't know our chicken seasoning, what kind of seasoning to my pot, so it can be more spicy. So yes, so first of all guys, sorry I'm not gonna tell you the names of the seasoning because guess what? And I actually know the name. Wow, that's too much. Wait. Alright, so I'm gonna just leave it. So that's a bit too much. So and I'm at a little amount of seasoning to the pot. Yeah man. Not sure too much of the seasoning here. So this is my black pepper now. Everybody know black pepper, but I know there's a seasoning. Madness, add a bit black pepper. And when I'm gonna use seasoning, guys, that's what they are. We start use dimmer seasoning because yeah, that's different, but I'm not gonna use it. So what I'm gonna do now is just to curry them. Yeah, so I'm going to curry again. So this is just using this is just adding a bit more spice to the soup. I'll just curry over to the most adding a bit more spice to it. So yes, people just turn that and yeah, turn that. Okay, we're good to go guys. You see when I'm using those things, I don't add salt to the pot. So it's just like this. Keep this to me. No salt, sorry. I don't use salt when I'm doing this to the pot. I don't use any salt. Whenever I'm doing this type of food, I don't use any salt in the pot guys. So can I see there? Like this. Yes. I put down. There guys. When I add this, I don't have to add no salt in the pot because we have different taste and spice. You don't have to do all that guys. So you can't like have to store without taste guys. So it makes you just have a sweet up. And I know some people like seasoning, some people don't like that. Some people just like some seasoning. We do this when you want some extra spice and taste. Yeah, so we have to use it to cook down again. So yeah, my fellow people, this is the end of my cooking. Yes, everything, but adding everything. So guys, once again, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and leave a nice comment down below. Yeah, people. Don't know, so I'm gonna knock off the spot and just leave it to go on, you know, cool, and then come take a sip. So big bad Jamaican peoples and people from overseas and international guys, that's the end of my cooking. That's my favorite dish. So that's Pokchoy, Callaloo with white rice and codfish. Yes guys. So yeah guys, I just show you guys, congratulations, I just show you how to cook Pokchoy codfish and rice with callaloo. Yes, it's amazing. So guys, subscribe, turn on the post notification. Bye.
Shower you with all my